Hello ladies, this is Celine, your French certified dating and relationship coach, and I am in Louisiana, as you can see, bringing some French style in wild, beautiful Louisiana. Happy New Year from here. And today we visited the Tabasco factory, and it inspired me to make this video. This video is all about the fact that it takes time to build a healthy relationship, romantic relationship, and effort, okay? Just the way it is for preparing Tabasco sauce, it is the same in love. You need time, you know? We learned that it actually takes 5 years from the seeding to the end product. So imagine, I'm not telling you that it will take you 5 years to create a healthy relationship, but it does take time. And I need to tell you this because I remember a conversation I had just before going on holiday with a lovely lady, and she told me you know, that she had time, and oftentimes we don't really realize how much time it does take to build a healthy relationship. We just think that we're gonna meet a man and, you know, it will all magically unfold, and you know, I would like that, but as an expert I have to tell you that it is very seldom the case. It is very rare. Oh, there's a mosquito here. Okay, got to move. So you have to be conscious of that. It takes time, it takes effort, not only to attract a man easily, and this is the easy part comes because I have a proven method, and I have tools to help you, and if you have my private support, of course, you move from 1 week to another, and you know, I help you to really understand what is going on, what you don't need to focus your energy on. So if you'd like to book a call with me, a free call, to see where you're at and if we could work together, I would love to do that. I'm gonna share the link in my bio. Also, if you have a burning question about your current love life, or if you feel stuck, I have a special offer running until the end of January, just because I really want you to start 2020 on a good start, you know. So I'm gonna share you the link. You will get my free meditation plus this special offer when you are subscribed. So you get 2 presence in one, okay, just by doing one simple action, asking for my free meditation. Isn't that awesome, ladies? Okay, I know, right? So if you are serious about changing your love life now, because it does take some time to change it, let's be honest. So I want you to get the gifts that are in the video description, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be so nice from you if you are there. Wherever you are, please give me some love with a thumbs up, with a heart, you know, depending on when you are. And until the next video, take care and bisous.